Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see right here, we've got the graph which is showing that I've been using this device for over 1 hour. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, etc. You've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. Of course, if you want to learn more about the time, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you particular days and the time you've spent on the screen. Of course, you've got the apps listed here. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, or you can tap directly on the app, so for example the settings or the themes. And after tapping on it, again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one app. So basically this is it. This is how to check the total screen time, and I highly recommend to use the ways to disconnect. Just a quick disclaimer about them. If you need the time for yourself, if you need the time to rest, you don't want to be disturbed because you have to work, etc., you can set the bedtime mode and the focus mode. Thanks to this, for example this one, you can mark the apps which are distracting for you, so for example some kind of social media, mark them, set a schedule, so pick the days and the hours, and your device will simply limit the notifications from those apps, thanks to which you will not be disturbed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.